everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases, and y'all, this is a good one. Also sad because this is the last week, I believe, that I'm going to be doing a video every single day, question mark, and then next week is back to my normal three videos a week schedule. But I have some really fun ones planned for this week, so I'm very excited about that. And I had some cool ones last week as well, too. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. I feel like this is a very, full feeling release because I have color of the week, we have characters, we have doodles, we have scribblers, we have foil bundles, we have foil items, we have 3 kits. It's fantastic. I was going to do a pop mystery, but I feel like we already have a lot going on, so I'm just going to save it for next week. But let me just tell you, it is my favorite romance movie, so very excited for that. But let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. We have some foil items to show you the first, well, not some. We have one foil item to show you, but in many foil colors. And this is, I have 2 silver here. This is the foil that came with the Cyber Monday mystery, spoiler alert. But I'll go ahead and show you it in silver. So there's a bunch of different quotes on here. You could put them on full boxes or whatever you feel like. And I think they are perfect. They will come to the shop in gold, silver, hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, and lavender hollow. Thought because they're groovy, those would be the best foils for them. So those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Along with everything else, we do have some new characters this week. We do have Dorothy, which is perfect for the Wizard of Oz kit that was released a couple of weeks ago as a pop mystery, as well as Carl and Ellie, which I also think would be really cute just as general grandparent stickers. Maybe I will recolor them. Let me know. They are super cute though. And then there is also going to be Doodles this week. This is Doodles 810, which is the champagne bottle. 811, which is a little notebook. Let me just zoom in this way, which kind of reminds me of the Blue's Clues notebook, but I think it was technically supposed to be a calendar. Then there's top hats, champagne flutes, party dresses, and then neutral party dresses. Little record players. Then there's the Louis type bag. There's the little Mickey Santa hat. This one's exclusive. The little kind of skincare headband. And then this one is just a New Year's Eve sampler, which is super duper cute. So that is 810 through 820 for the Doodles. Then we also do have Scribblers for this week. This is a princess Scribbler, which I thought was super, super cute. I love her long hair and her crown and her pink dress. It'll come in the normal 6 options, and I am just beyond obsessed. So that is number 75 in the 1 through 6 Scribblers. We also do have a color of the week this week, and we actually do have another sheet edition. So this is going to be sheet number 15, but I'll show you that at the end. A gorgeous, gorgeous pink color. It matches my mug, but it also matches, I pulled the color from Like a Rose. It's this pink color. Pulled it from there. I think I'm going to pull the purple color from there as well. I think it's really, really pretty. The normal 6 Scribbler options here. These are available a la carte. And then we also do have the Doodle sheets, which you could either buy as a bundle or you could purchase a la carte. If you buy them as a bundle, you save a couple of bucks, but it's the normal 14 and then the new 15, which the 15 is actually going to have a preview of some doodles that are going to be coming in the future because I bulk did doodles. So here are, I think all but actually, I think all of these haven't been released yet. Maybe? Question mark? I don't really remember. Maybe. Or maybe that one was released. Maybe that one was released? I don't remember. But that is what is on number 15. I really love the Ugg boots. So that is the color of the week. Color of the week is available Wednesday through Sunday. Then we do have 2 foil bundles, which same thing goes Wednesday through Sunday. There's a special pricing, so you could save a couple of bucks on the foil bundles. I love these. These might be my favorite 2 colors that I've released recently. These are in confetti version 2, so they will work with virtually any spread as far as design goes. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous pink color. It is maybe the perfect pink foil. I am just obsessed with it. How pretty is this pink? I'm obsessed. I think it's gorgeous, fabulous, everything. I feel like I feel like these two, if it matches this, it would match that. It's such a pretty pink. So we have that, and that is going to be one of the foil bundles for this week. I think I might just call it Sparkly Pink. It's actually kind of more like a confetti. It's you know, like the chunkier sparkles. I might call it like confetti pink or something. I don't know. We will see what I decide upon, but I think this one's going to be great coming into spring and summer, or honestly anytime, because pink is an anytime color for me at least. And then we have another one I think is going to be very, very popular, and let me show you this one. It is a rainbow variant. So you have, you know, the normal 2 pages, these 2 pages, this page, and then let me show you. It's like a prismatic rainbow, or I guess like a shattered rainbow. There she goes. It's like a shattered rainbow, which is really pretty. I think it just gives it some nice dimension. Super pretty. I feel like rainbow is super popular. I need more kits that will match rainbow. I feel like it always, like, whenever rainbow matches, I'm like, yes, we're using rainbow. We're using all the rainbow. So that will be available Wednesday as well. Now let's get into the kits for this week. We'll go through the reformatted kit first, and then we'll get into the newer arts. So this one here is called Garden Party. I forgot to change the full box's name. It's just the way the cookie crumbles some days. So this was last year's December mystery. So it's been a whole year since this one came out, and it is gorgeous. I don't know if I actually used it this year, but I think it might be in my lineup to use this year for like Mother's Day. I think this would be really cute for like any type of party, like birthday party, bachelorette party, bridal shower, baby shower, etc. Or like Mother's Day, or just a general anytime kind of spring, summer set. I think as far as foil goes, I think rose would be really pretty with this one in my opinion, or silver, gold. Any of the standard foil colors would be really nice. Also comes in a mini kit. All kits this week do. And then as far as add-ons go, you do have the ombre if you want to add it on. There is the functional, the doodle label 2, and then fashion as well. So that is Garden Party, which is a reformat, but it's exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. Then let's go on to this art, which this one is called Healthy Habits. And I thought this was really cute for the new year, for January, or for any time, for whenever you're feeling healthy and gymmy and, you know, like clean living vibes. Super cute. Love the butterflies. Love these colors. Another one that I think has a lot of foil options. You could do silver, but I personally would do hollow, lavender hollow, those mixed, or sparkly hollow with regular hollow mixed. Something along the lines of that I think would be really, really pretty. I also think that this sparkly pink would be really pretty with it as well. And then also I think this would also be a pretty close match. This one's a little bit brighter, but I don't think... It's one of those things I always say, like, you can compare this sidebar, but I feel like whenever you compare it to the actual doodles or character stickers, it doesn't look as different if it is, but I think that's a pretty good match for that one as well. Along with the pink foil would be really pretty with it too. So that's the ultimate kit. That is the freebie that comes in the ultimate and mini. And then let me show you the add-on options. There is the doodle, there is the functional, label, ombre, and then there is also fashion if you want to add it on. So let me show you that's what comes in the kit. And then these are the add-ons. So you have lots of options. So that is Healthy Living. Super cute. I love this like periwinkle color. Really pretty. Might steal that one for a color of the week. Then we have our last kit this week, which is called Squeaky Clean. And I love me a spring cleaning kit. Honestly, even if I'm not spring cleaning, because to me, it just feels like a springtime kit. It just feels fresh. It feels fun. But maybe it'll also influence me to do a little cleaning, even if it's just like decluttering. I think that's still like a valid reason. Or if you're just feeling like this is your vibe. I really think this is pretty. I love the colors in this. I think that this would look really pretty with silver, like just to be super clean, but also be really pretty with hollow. Mixture of the two. I don't know. I think it's really, really pretty. So there's also gold accents in here and like wood and like more gold. So I feel like also maybe like a matte gold or regular gold, sparkly gold, champagne lights kind of situation. I'm kind of, the more I think of it, I think a matte gold would be really pretty with this. Yeah, I think that would be really pretty. Love this. Love the colors. Love the papers. I loved the little, I think it's like an alarm clock / record player. I couldn't really, because like it's a record player, but there's a clock on it. But also could just be a record player with a clock on it. So I thought that that was cute. And I love the little like squiggly lines and then also the little sponges with the soap bubbles. I thought that was very, very cute. So cute. And then the freebie and the ultimate in the mini is a tall box. So that was cute. I'll probably use the tall box. I think it's very fun. And then as far as add-ons go, you do have the doodle, the functional, the ombre label 2, which is like a brighter orange. And then there is also fashion 1 and fashion 2. Lots of options here. There aren't any fashion people in the actual set, so kind of, if you're not into fashion people, it's a very good set for you. So that is everything for this week. I am so excited. I feel like I just love Christmas time planning and then getting into the new year, setting up new planners, you know. Planmas is always fun. And I'm just like vibing. I'm vibing. As you could see, I have like more release this week. I feel like I was kind of on, I had new releases, but I feel like I was on a little bit of break mode for a while. I was just kind of super exhausted physically and mentally. Don't get me wrong, I'm still tired, but I'm feeling a little bit more myself. So again, I hope you like this week's new releases. What you have to look forward to this week is I'm planning on having 2 vlogs up. Also, I'm going to be showing you what planners I am using in 2024. And I also have a shelf tour, which is like all my planner supplies, how I organize them, like a quick overview. That will be going up as well as my December haul will be going up this Sunday. So that is everything for this week, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.